Now, in this question, let's read the question carefully. The image of a candle flame placed at a distance of 36 centimeter from a spherical lens is formed on a screen. Image is formed on a screen. Okay. Placed at a distance of 72 centimeter from the lens. So already like they have mentioned that image is formed on a screen. It means it's a real image. It's a real image. Is it clear? So how to distinguish like real and virtual? Like it is already explained. Now look at this question. It means this lens is convex lens. Draw the convex lens like this. Now our screen is placed here. Screen is here at 72 centimeter. This is the image distance. Clear image is formed like this. A dash B dash in a screen. Object I don't know like I think they have mentioned like it is placed at 36 centimeter. So this is an object. Whether it is magnified, not magnified, diminished, I'm not at all bothered. Okay. My question later we will understand what is it like magnified or not. Later we will understand. First of all, whatever data is given, just write down and draw the like a rough diagram. Now apply the formula and get the answer 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon 72. Let's solve this. If you don't know the LCM, no worry. You can solve like this 72, 36, 72 plus 36, 108, 36 ones are 36, 3s are. Focal length is 24. Again check. Check all the calculation because calculation if I make any mistake in calculation then answer will be wrong. So I hope this calculation is correct. Now moving to the next part. We got the focal length 24 centimeter. Now m will be what? Hi by ho v by u. Hi we have to calculate. We need to calculate. Ho is 24 2.5 centimeter. V is how much? 72. U is minus 36. So hi comes out to be 36 to the hi comes out to minus 5 centimeter. I hope this doubt is clear. Okay. Thank you.